Cybertruck versus F-150. How do these two trucks compare? The Ford F-150 is the best-selling pickup truck across the globe. The Cybertruck will exceed the towing and payload capacity of the F-150. In this video, we'll discuss the features of both trucks so you know how they stack up. To further understand the differences between the Tesla truck versus the F-150, we should look at each truck in more detail. Next, let's look at the Tesla Cybertruck pickup truck. In 2012, when Tesla Inc. CEO and product architect Elon Musk expressed the company's desire to create a truck that would match the capabilities of the Ford F-250. In 2016, Musk mentioned their plans for coming up with a modern consumer pickup truck. They wanted to launch something extremely new to the public, something that would remarkably augment truck driving experience to the next level. In 2017, they announced their decision to make the truck size and its other features comparable to that of the Ford F-150. And in 2019, Tesla Incorporated filed under the US Patent and Trademark Office for Cybertruck and the Cybertruck graffiti-themed logo. In the same year, Musk also provided a brief description of the vehicle, talking about its futuristic appearance. In July 2020, Tesla started accepting pre-orders for as low as $100. Cybertruck's features. Many of the remaining Tesla team delivered a futuristic pickup truck because they said they would. Not to mention that they wanted to introduce to the public a game-changing one. Hence the cyberpunk appearance of the Cybertruck. However, there's way more to this pickup truck than its appearance. If you think it looks seriously tough, it's because it is indeed seriously tough. Tesla is confident that their innovation can challenge all the best-selling pickup trucks in the market today. Let's take a further look at its features. Performance, transmission, engine. The Tesla Cybertruck is available in 3 electric motors, one of which is a single-motor truck that features rear-wheel drive. In comparison, the 2 other motors have an all-wheel drive feature. According to Tesla, the single-motor model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of 6.5 seconds, with a top speed of 110 miles per hour. The dual-motor model can go from 0 to 60 in exactly 4.5 seconds, with a top-out speed of 120 miles per hour. And the triple-motor model can reach 60 miles an hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The approach and department ramp angles of the 3 models are 35 and 28 degrees respectively. All models also feature adjustable air suspension. You can raise and lower it on the fly and have a maximum ground clearance of 16 inches. Nonetheless, it seems like the Cybertruck is one powerful off-road machine. Payload and towing capacity. Tesla claims that the Cybertruck triple motor model has a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. If that's the case, it surpasses the maximum towing capacity of the F-150, which is 13,200 pounds. Thus, in terms of towing capacity, F1 versus Cybertruck, the latter is better. However, as expected, the lower models have lower maximum capacity, but compared to that of the other pickup trucks, the single-motor model can tow a maximum of 7,500 pounds, while the dual-motor model can tow a maximum of 10,000 pounds. All model features a 6.5-foot cargo bed that is capable of hauling approximately 3,500 pounds. Tesla has not yet announced the battery sizes, but it is confirmed to support 250 kilowatt charging. Also, all models will definitely have access to the company's supercharger technology. In terms of driving range, the single motor model features 250 plus miles per charge, whereas the dual and triple motor models feature 300 plus and over 500 plus miles per charge respectively. Cargo, comfort and interior. The Cybertruck may look futuristic, but it also promotes minimalism. However, we can never equate minimalism simply because there is definitely nothing simple about this electric pickup. The Cybertruck interior has a plain dashboard with a single touchscreen and features a squared-off steering wheel. It also has a seating capacity of 6, including the driver. The cargo bed is 6.5 feet and provides a volume of 100 cubic feet. The truck's slide-out tailgate is so cool. The tailgate is useful as a ramp to load motorcycles and even four-wheel vehicles. Aside from the 17-inch touchscreen mounted on the dashboard, Tesla has not announced anything yet in terms of the pickup's infotainment system. For sure, it will have a high-tech and state-of-the-art feature. The Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is only one of the series of trucks under the Ford F-Series. The first generation F-Series pickup truck was launched in 1948, when the sub-model of the F-150 was created. The other models under these series include the F-250 and the F-450 and the F-650 among others. Pickup trucks have always been known as work trucks, mainly because of their hauling and towing capabilities. Then, family-friendly trucks were introduced in the market, which made pickup trucks even more popular. But their popularity remarkably increased when the F-150 was launched, allowing truck owners to combine both work and play. F-150's features. Ford has successfully transformed people's perception of pickup trucks from merely a work truck to a luxury cruise machine. What was once popular only among workers has now become exceedingly popular among families. This is, perhaps, why Ford always makes sure that their pickup trucks are not only made of high-grade materials, but also ensure that the truck's appearance is enticing to the general public. Performance, transmission, and engine. The Ford F-150 is famous for having a state-of-the-art engine such as its 3-litre diesel, ideal for torque measuring 440 pounds-per-feet. When compared to the performance of other engines, the F-150 always ranks the best among the best. However, when it comes to its air spring suspension, there are rival trucks that offer more ride comfort, especially over hard bumps. But then, I don't see this causing any problems at all. Payload and towing capacity. The F-150 twin-turbo V6 pickup truck has a towing capacity of 13,200 pounds. For the F-150, that doesn't include the trailer tow package. Both the V6 and the V8 engine can tow a maximum of 7,000 pounds. Cargo, comfort and interior. The F-150 is famous for providing both convenience and comfort to the driver and passenger. The interior is spacious and features a state-of-the-art touchscreen infotainment system, thus offering the ultimate driving and riding experience. It features massaging seats, particularly advantageous among the elderly and those suffering from body pains caused by long rides. These seats are useful too when you're stuck in heavy traffic. Speaking of heavy traffic, that would not be that horrible anymore, not only because of the massaging seats. The F-150 also features a panoramic sunroof that appears to both driver and passenger, as they can enjoy the open air as if they're in a convertible. When it comes to the Tesla versus the F-150 for comfort, the F-150 is hard to beat. Conclusion: so, to recap, Cybertruck versus the F-150, how do they compare? The Cybertruck can tow up to 14,000 pounds in terms of towing capacity, while the F-150 can tow 13,200 pounds. In terms of appearance, the F-150 has that classic truck look that's all too familiar. Meanwhile, the Cybertruck has a futuristic look. In terms of engine, the Cybertruck model all features electric motors, while the F-150 model has either gas or diesel engines. In terms of ride, some rival models offer more comfort than the F-150, including the Cybertruck. However, this feature can only be confirmed once the Cybertruck is officially launched in 2021. For now, the F-150 remains one of the best pickup trucks, if not the best, in the market. While the two pickup trucks may have comparable features, especially in terms of their capacity, they have several differences as well. It may be best to wait for the actual Cybertruck to officially be released in the market. That way we can test and see for ourselves how powerful this Cybertruck truly is. But then it's not about how powerful the Cybertruck is compared to the F-50. More than anything else, it's about identifying which pickup truck suits the driver best. Tesla Cybertruck versus F-150, no matter which you prefer, both trucks have some seriously excellent features and specs. Now the question remains, which of these trucks would you prefer? Let us know in the comment section. Also, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep us supported. I'll see you in the next video.